Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for jobs on Wellfound. So let's get straight into it. First thing, you need to be logged in and make sure that you have your Wellfound profile 100% complete. Now, what you need to do, find a role. So we will use job search. So on the left side here you will see jobs. But first I will show you something else. So if you go here to the profile, and when you are done with your, under the home section, and when you are done with your profile, you will see here some recommendation jobs. So you already have less to search about, so like that. But we can do this manually if we want. So we go here to the left side and jobs, click on that, and right here you will see these job offers. Now we can also apply filters with, for example, so if we go something like that, our currencies, maybe let's go with USD dollar. And then we can select here our skills. So this one definitely. Then yeah, we can. So you select here what you want. So something like that, for example, and view results. And as you can see, we don't have that offer here. And one right here it is. So then you select a job. You see here full stack developer for Furnitly, and then you can hit apply, and your data will be sent to them. You just need to really complete your profile and write right here some words and then send application. And this is how you can apply for jobs on Wellfound. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.